there are a few professions in this game which I don't like for an example, to be an inscriptioner. I don't like it. However, if you need to know where to locate the profession trainer, the inscriptioner, the Grandmaster Inscriptioner in Dalaran City, I will show you where to find this guy. So we are in Northrend, right in the middle, and in that Dalaran, just move your character to the north part of Dalaran, and let's see. I will show exactly where to find this gnome, because he's a gnome. So right next to the herbalism trainer is this building. Get inside here and you'll find this small guy here who will teach you. With him you can get to the Grandmaster. I don't have learned this profession, and I never will. I just don't like it at all. And those ladies, very nice ladies indeed, they will sell you supplies for this profession. And let me show you again on the map where we are, right here in the north, and the building looks something like that. I hope you have a wonderful day out there, and I really hope this guide helped you out.